A question I recently got was, why am I not seeing any of my extensions or bookmarks when I open Google Chrome? The first thing you need to do is make sure that you are syncing. To sync, first make sure you're logged in. If you see your picture and email pop up when you hover over this little circle here, you know you're logged in. If you click on that, you'll either see that syncing is on or syncing is off. If it is off, simply click Turn on to Sync. Yes, I'm in. And once you do that, you'll notice that all of your extensions and apps, your homepage, everything else will pop up. If you don't see an extension that you're looking for, click on the little puzzle piece right here. That will display all of the extensions that you have installed. And you'll notice here the little thumbtack. If it is colored blue, that means you've pinned it and it will be visible here. If it's not, you can simply click on it and it will then appear. If your bookmarks aren't showing, go to the three little dots in the upper right hand corner of your Chrome and go down to Bookmarks. Make sure that Show Bookmarks bar is checked. Hope that's helpful.